So here we have the Ford S-Max automatic on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and 7 seats as well. All of these seats can be folded flat, these rear two, by using the handles or the straps up in the top corner of the seat here. And then the middle ones can also be done using the buttons just there. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and the fuel gauge as well. And in the middle, we have a digital readout for the speedometer and the total miles of the car, which are 18,903. Beneath that, it will show what gear this car is currently in. So we're in park at the moment. You can change the information not only in that central section, so you can have any of these things displayed there should you wish to. So for example, what music you're listening to. Obviously the speed is probably one of the more useful ones. And over on the left-hand side, you can also have information displayed there too, should you wish to. Backing out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using a moment ago are here for that left-hand menu and here for the central one. We've also got cruise control and speed limiter here, and then stereo and phone controls over this side. The phone controls can only be used after such time as you pair the phone up. And that is done over on the touchscreen in the center. Hit add device.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And then follow the instructions on screen from there. You can see this car's got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how this works, which you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel. And then just here, we have our options for music. So we have AM, FM and DAB radio, a CD player, Bluetooth audio, and also 2 separate USB inputs as well. If you plug devices into those, they will appear up here as options for you. Working our way down, we have the CD player and the main volume for the stereo just there. And we then have dual zone climate control. Any adjustment you make to the driver or passenger temperature, they all show. So passenger, driver, fan speed, everything will show on that screen for you. Once you're happy with all of those settings, this button turns your air conditioning on and off. Or hit auto and the car will now maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking control of the fan speed and also the direction of the air. And you can override that manually whenever you wish to. You can see auto has now gone off. With a rear heated screen and a proper heated front screen as well. Within this section just here, we have the 2 USB inputs I mentioned a moment ago, a 12-volt charging socket and some storage down here. This dial is to change gears, so we're in park at the moment. We have reverse, neutral, drive and sport. Just need to have your foot on the brake to engage any one of those gears. We have an electronic handbrake. We can turn the parking sensors on and off from here. And this last button turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now turned off. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.